What's up guys, welcome to my channel, and in today's video we will talk about the iOS 14.2. So Apple just released the iOS 14.2 software and I'm here to talk about that. So if you are on iOS 14.1 and going to update your device to iOS 14.2, I have some key features that you should try. So first feature is the Shazam. So Apple introduced the Shazam feature on the iOS 14.2, which is really dope. So how to activate it, I have already made a video on that. I checked the iCard, I have linked it up in the iCard. The next thing is the new control center. So the new control center looks like this, and it is on every iPhone supporting iOS 14.2. The new control center looks much more cleaner than earlier. So that's a new feature that is introduced in iOS 14.2. Now let's talk about the performance improvement. So performance improvements are actually much more than I expected. So iOS 14.1 brought some dope things, such as the performance on iPhone 7 and iPhone 6s have been improved a bit, which was actually, to be honest, unexpected, because iOS 14.1 on iPhone 7 and iPhone 6s were really bad. Many people were complaining and are even asking me that why I'm experiencing this. Like, first of all, the iPhone 7 was having some lock issues, which is fixed in iOS 14.2 for me. Tell in the comments below that is it fixed for you or not, and have you installed the update or not. On iPhone 11 is already really great, was already really great on iOS 14.1, and on iOS 14.2 I am using it. It has been really great experience on iPhone 11 and iPhone 12 Pro. Talking about the iPhone 12 Pro on iOS 14.2, iPhone 12 Pro, as expected, is really great on iOS 14.2. I am using it for a while. I have used it for a while on iOS 14.2, and it's really smooth. Everything is really great on iOS 14.2. So if you have the iPhone 12, you won't have any issues. You won't suffer with any issues. Of course, yes, it is really important to tell if the new device have been suffering with any issues or not, because it is just introduced, and iPhone 12, the fingers crossed, it is still now iPhone 12 Pro does not have any issues on iOS 14.2, but if it will have, I will let you know through my videos. So be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. So iPhone 11, we have talked about iPhone 11 on iOS 14.2. It's been really great. The performance and everything have been really awesome. So if you are thinking of upgrading your device to iOS 14.2, I would say go ahead and update. It brought like 1.5 gigabytes to my iPhone 11, and it brought like 500 MB on my iPhone 10R, and it brought 1 GB on my iPhone 7. So it actually brought a lot of storage on almost all of my devices. Now talking about the bugs, so the bugs till now, I'm literally not facing at all. Like, there are no bugs, but I will do a follow-up video, and most probably I think I'll find some bugs to report here so that Apple can fix in the future videos, and I will let you know on my Twitter. So you guys can go ahead and follow me on Twitter at the @techhype, and let's get to 2,000 followers on my Twitter. Now let's talk about AirPods. So on AirPods Pro, I have also made a video on that. You can check that video on my iCard. AirPods Pro is experiencing a lot of issues after updating it. The spatial audio update have brought a lot of bugs with it. I am using spatial audio on my iPhone 7, and for some reason it is not available on my iPhone 11. That's the bug people are facing. Let me know down in comments below that if you have a AirPods Pro or not, and if you have you updated or not, and if you have updated, yeah, there are a lot of questions. So if you have updated your AirPods Pro, then are you facing some issues? And I don't know why, but my iPhone 7 is working perfectly on my iPhone 7, but it is not working on my iPhone 11. I've tried several times, but it is just not working on my iPhone 11. I've tried updating and all, but it is just not updating. So thank you all for watching this video. If you do find this video helpful, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to this channel for latest tech info. If you have any queries about iOS 14 or any update, just leave it down in comments below. I will answer it as quick as possible, and do be sure to follow me on my social media. I have linked those handles in the description, and if you want to DM me, go ahead and DM me. I'll reply to all of you guys. So yeah, thank you all for watching this video. I will meet you all in the very next episode.